Welcome to the video demonstrating how to use our comment analyzer, which we have built as part of NLP. To start with, let's understand why and where we would use the comment analyzer. So there are two major uses of the comment analyzer, one being a passionate viewer and the other being the content creator. So let's say BBC News put out this piece on US elections 2024, and they want to know how people like the video, how people are reacting to the video. One way would be to physically go through all the comments, but whoever is going through all the comments, his bias is likely to come in the way of understanding how the video is viewed by the viewers. So to overcome this bias and to get an actual image or actual idea of how the viewers are finding it, we propose to use a comment analyzer, which uses natural language processing, where it's a model where you remove the stop words, you tokenize the words, and you find the frequency, and you do many such operations to come with a more accurate, reliable, non-biased picture of what's happening in the comment section. So that is how a YouTuber, a content creator, would be able to gauge his viewers and how they're finding his videos. The second major users would be the viewers themselves. So let's say this particular video is being watched by both Trump supporters and Biden supporters. And to actually pick the sentiments behind what is actually happening, they might also go through the comment section because they might see that BBC probably has a bias towards one of the candidates in their view. So to get a sentiment, they again go through the comment sections. So when they're going through the comment sections, they're again more likely to pick up biases. Like if I'm a Trump supporter, I'm more likely to read comments praising Trump or saying Trump will win, and vice versa. If I'm a Biden supporter, I'm more likely to read views and comments saying Biden would win, and I'll make an image of this video with those comments. So to again get a neutral, unbiased opinion and accumulation of what is happening in the comment section, what is the sentiment of the people watching this video as my fellow viewers, we can use our comment analyzer tool. So coming straight to how to use our tool. So there are basically three files which you can find in the description of this video. One file has all the commands. The other file being requirement.py installs all the required modules to run the comment analyzer. And the main file being commentanalyzer.ipynb. So firstly, open the command prompt if you're using Windows or terminal in case you're using OS and sorry, Ubuntu and Mac. So command prompt. So once you've downloaded those three files from the description, choose the directory wherever the files are located. In my case, it's desktop, and in your case, it might be downloads. So I'll do choose directory cd desktop. So now I'm in the directory desktop. Now I'll open the commands text file, and I've already run the first step. I've chosen the directory desktop in my case. It could be downloads in your case. I'll run python requirement.py. So this would install all the requirements. In my case, a lot of the requirements are already installed as I previously run this file. Your system might not have all the requirements, so it could take some decent amount of time. Yeah, next, let's run the next command, pip install voila. And finally, the last and major command. Depending on your internet connection and your system specs, it might take some time. So please be patient. I'll copy the link of this particular video and wait for the pop-up. So the UI pop-up is up here. It says enter your YouTube link. So I'll paste the link I've copied and I'll click on run analysis. So now our program is actually scraping through the YouTube comments and generating word clouds for you. So that again would take some time. As you can see, now the output is generated. So I quickly explain to you what the output exactly is saying. So the average sentiment score ranges from -1 to 1. So the average sentiment score here is 0.17. So when you say -1 to 1, -1 is towards the negative end, 1 is towards the positive end, and 0 is neutral. So every comment which is scraped is analyzed and identified as positive, negative, neutral. So it finds a couple of keywords based on which it would rate it on either end. So the average sentiment score of all the comments analyzed here is 0.17. So people are not either optimistic or pessimistic. They're somewhere on the neutral end of things. So the number of positive comments is 40, the number of negative comments is 19, and the total number of neutral comments is 21. So these are amongst the comments scraped, and the comments scraped are the top 80 or 90 comments, depending on the video. So we have generated three word clouds. So here, the first one being the general word cloud, which is what is being spoken the most amongst the comment section. So it's obvious since it's between Trump and Biden, people have used the words Trump, Biden. So the bigger the word, the more frequently it's being used in the comment section. So Trump, Biden, BBC as they're the channel which is being viewed on, America, people, vote, everything like that. The next one is sentiment. So sentiment would exclude uh, a lot of the noise and other irrelevant data from the general comment section. Like, what is trending here is people say the sentiment amongst people is it's comedy, it's real, this is the need of the hour. Uh, Some people say it's good, some people say honest. So that's the sentiment. The general word cloud is accumulation of the words used more frequently in the comment section. In the sentiment assessment, we rate those words used using a sentiment score, and it gives us sentiments like good, bad, real, unreal, American, need, things like that. When it comes to the third word cloud, it's word cloud of negative comments. So if there are negative comments in the comment section, this is where it's likely to be reflected. Not every word here would be negative, but whatever negative comments are there is most likely to be reflected here. Like it says death and it says option, want, broken. Broken is used quite frequently based on the text size in this word cloud. So in this way, a content creator can know what is the general sentiment towards this video by analyzing the average sentiment score, and he can pick up words from the general word cloud to base his next content on. Like BBC could see that people are speaking a lot about voting because vote is a big word. So it could be pro voting or anti voting. So BBC can come up with some content based on that. And when it comes to the viewers might see, the sentiments are a mixed bag. Some say it's good, some say it's real, and it's a mixed bag again. When it comes to negative comments, the viewers can see that some people feel it's broken. So these word clouds would help a content creator and a viewer to make a more informed opinion, to make a more unbiased opinion of the YouTube video. So that is how to use that tool. I hope you liked it. Thank you.